Happy New Year to all of you. On this special occasion, I decided to make a simple chocolate cake using biscuits. No oven and no egg for this. Now let's begin. Let me show you the ingredients I'm going to use. Come on. So now I'm going to use bourbon and Oreo biscuits, the chocolate biscuits. It's up to you which biscuits you choose. Then I need some chocolate syrup, baking powder, milk, grated dry fruits and chocolates for garnishing. Now I'm going to make pieces of these chocolate biscuits. Now I'm going to break these chocolate biscuits. Now I'm going to put them in the blender and make fine powder. So now I'm going to blend it. Always do it with your parents' help. So here's the groundnut powder. The powder is ready. Now let's prepare the batter. Now transfer this powder into the bowl. So we have the powder. Make sure that there are no lumps. Now pour some milk into the fine powder. About half a cup. Mixed it with the milk and it looks so good. Look at this. Now I'm going to add a little bit of baking powder. Now mix it well. Next, I am going to transfer this batter into this bowl which is greased with oil. It can be greased with oil, ghee or butter. I am going to use oil first. I'm greasing the bowl. Make sure you apply oil on all the sides. Now I'm going to transfer the batter into the bowl. The preheated pressure cooker, I have put some salt. Now I'm going to keep this vessel inside that very carefully. Like that, that's it. Now I'm going to place this bowl inside the cooker. I'm going to cover this cooker with the lid. There should be no whistle and no washer. Just make a note of it. Put this on low flame and cook it for half an hour to 40 minutes. It's already 40 minutes. Let's check if it's cooked or not. Toothpick. To check if the cake is cooked or not, take a toothpick and poke it. If it's not sticking, that means that the cake is properly cooked. Look at this. The cake didn't stick. The cake's done. It looks so tasty. Wow. Now let's take it onto the plate. So guys, the cake is cooked. It looks so tasty. I just can't wait. Now we have to pour the chocolate syrup on. 3, 2, 1. Let's take chocolate garnishing. Wow. I'm garnishing it with white chocolate, grated dry fruits, and Cadbury chocolate. Wow. So guys, cake is ready. Give a like to this video. This looks good. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get new notifications. Bye bye. Wish you guys a happy and prosperous new year.